Alright, imagine waking up one morning and everything feels a little off. The sun rises faster, shadows zip across the ground, and the winds? They're screaming like jet engines. You haven't time traveled. Earth has just started spinning twice as fast. At first, it might seem fun. Sunrises and sunsets twice a day. Shorter work hours. But hold on, this is no science fiction thrill ride. This is a global disaster spinning out of control. The Earth currently takes 24 hours to make one full rotation. But double that speed? Now it spins once every 12 hours. The first thing you'd notice? The days are shorter. Way shorter. You'd only get 6 hours of daylight before plunging into night. Time flies, literally. Our biological clocks would go haywire. Sleep? Work? Farming? Nothing would fit this new schedule. But let's go bigger. As the planet spins faster, the centrifugal force increases. That force pushes everything outward from the axis of rotation, like a carnival ride gone berserk. You'd weigh less. Not much, but enough for it to matter. Near the equator, people would experience a noticeable drop in weight, up to 1 kilogram lighter. Not a diet trick, just physics. Now let's talk oceans. The equator would bulge even more, and water would rush away from the poles toward the equator, flooding equatorial regions. Cities like Singapore, Nairobi, and Quito? Underwater. Coastal nations? Gone. A massive equatorial superocean would form, while the poles would become dry wastelands. And the winds? Oh boy. Doubling Earth's spin means doubling the speed of jet streams and trade winds. You're looking at hurricanes forming faster, stronger, and lasting longer. Imagine Category 6 or even Category 7 storms becoming the new normal. Entire regions would become uninhabitable. Gravity would still pull you down, but that outward centrifugal force would keep trying to fling you sideways. And if Earth spun just a little faster than this? Say, 17 times faster? Gravity at the equator would drop to zero. You'd be weightless. Any faster, and you'd fly off into space. Satellites and GPS systems would be wrecked. Our whole navigation system depends on Earth's current spin. Double that speed? Everything needs recalibration. Planes would struggle. Rockets would misfire. Space travel could get easier, temporarily, due to the added spin energy, but the risks outweigh the gains. Oh, and climate? Forget 4 seasons. At twice the rotation speed, the atmosphere gets more chaotic. Temperature zones would be violently reshuffled. Droughts, floods, wildfires, and blizzards, all in unexpected places. Agricultural zones would collapse. Food security would be a global crisis. Even tectonic activity could spike. The increased spin stretches Earth's shape, redistributing mass and pressure along fault lines. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions might become more frequent and unpredictable. But here's the real kicker. Humans might not adapt fast enough. Our bodies, crops, infrastructure, everything is tuned to a 24-hour cycle. Break that rhythm too suddenly, and life as we know it breaks with it. So, next time you feel like your day's spinning out of control, just be glad the planet isn't. Because if Earth spun twice as fast, we'd be living in a world where time, gravity, oceans, and climate all betray us. And that's not just fast. That's terrifying. Make sure to hit that like button if your feet are still on the ground, and don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, we'll take it a step further. What if Earth just stopped spinning? Stay curious. Stay grounded. See you in the next one on Infinitive.